Hey there, gang, and welcome to the Locker Room. Coach Giggs here, and today's message, early bird gets the worm. Well, while everybody else is sleeping, take a look around, whole bunch of campers out here, and they're all sleeping. But guess where me and Jim, oh yeah, that's our camper, and there's the rest of them. But guess what we're doing? We're catching the sunrise, and God, it was beautiful. Early bird does get the worm. While everybody else is sleeping, gang, you could be enjoying the best parts of life. Whether it's in your work, get up early so that you can be the best. If you're a teacher, get up early so those students get the best you. If you're a coach, get up early and prepare for those athletes. Whatever you do, though, remember, the early bird does get the worm, or in this case, a gorgeous, gorgeous sunrise. So thanks for joining me, gang. Be sure to get up early and don't miss out on anything while everyone else is sleeping. You're going to be up making it happen. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in tomorrow's broadcast. Bye-bye.